How many y'all got today? How many y'all have today? How many?
Hey, you know, that's going to be myself. I will get it.
Okay.
You're in. You got her. You got her.
Apparently he's 6'4", 277. Probably. That looks like it would be. My shot in your way. No, you're good.
Stay right here while I'm in your way.
No, you should be good.
Okay.
I don't represent him.
Sierra, what did she say? She said he needs to.
Say where you want.
Yes, ma'am, y'all can say it. Now you want to be weird. No, look at this man right here. Mm-hmm. Ain't nothing wrong with him. Had enough strength to take my cousin's life.
If you're gonna sit on this one, because she's gonna stand there the majority of the time. I can bring out extra chairs.
Thank you. You're welcome. I want to sit right here so I can see you.
That's why I'm standing.
You
I want you to look.
Mama, the man sitting right there in the chair.
Got something red on.
Orange, green, whatever color he got on.
What red is red? Is that red? And then what? And you ain't red? That's not what medical issues are. No, ain't nothing wrong with red. Clothes got on red.
Ain't nothing wrong with him. Ain't a thing wrong with him.
That's all we got y'all doing today.
And did he?
So he was
Did I have on your early to get on this is for? No, it's not too bad now.
I think it's open now.
Officer, how are you this afternoon? Doing well, thank you. Thank you for having this gentleman here on time. Okay, we're on the record. This is 2:30 bond court. I'm Judge Hudson. I'm going to tell you about your rights and obligations. We'll get some paperwork to you in a second. I'll try to answer any questions you have. We'll talk about your bond. First of all, sir, make sure you show up for court on your court date. You'll be given a court time and date before you're released from jail. And before you're released from jail, we're going to ask you to give us a good address. You have an obligation to notify the court if that address should change. You also have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one's going to be provided at no cost. And are you going to need a court-appointed attorney, sir? Okay. They're going to be sending somebody through the detention center to ask you about the attorney. Make sure you speak up when they come through. We're also going to give you some literature about the importance of having an attorney when you show up for court. Obviously, because of the seriousness of the case, the state will be represented by a solicitor, so you need to make sure you have yourself an attorney. If you have any questions about an attorney that I can answer for you? Okay. Now, you're also entitled to request a preliminary hearing. And we're going to give you a form this afternoon. It needs to be returned within 10 days if you want the hearing. And if you wanted to fill that out today, we'd be glad to get it to the appropriate place. If not, take it with you, give it to your attorney, let him or her make that decision. Just remember, you only have a 10-day limit on that. And if you have any questions about the preliminary hearing? Okay, let me just elaborate on that just a little bit. The preliminary hearing is not a trial. You're not going to testify. You won't call any witnesses. But a judge will hear some evidence against you. If they think the evidence is strong enough to send your charges forward to the grand jury, your case will move forward. Okay? Okay. Now, if you want to request a jury trial, you can do that. But I would speak to my attorney first. And we're also going to be giving you a list of your rights. It's called a checklist. If this charge is dismissed, or if you're found not guilty, you can have it removed from your record. And just for the record, I didn't mention this, you have been charged with murder as well as possession of a weapon during the commission of a violent crime. Do you have any questions? Okay. We have the family here of the victim today, and I believe Mr. Adams is going to speak on their behalf. You're welcome to take that off, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at this time, based on information that the family has, as it relates to this crime that happened that should not have happened, murder of this individual who's a loved one in this community, the family opposes any kind of bond being set at this stage and would actually decline bond at this time. The family has concern for their safety. It is a meritorious concern that they will be talking to law enforcement about as it relates to their home. And that is unanimous from all family members, those in the state of South Carolina and those outside the state of South Carolina. All indications that there is no action on the part of the deceased, their loved one, that caused or rendered this individual to take the life. So it would be time respectfully access criminal justice system would not be on at this stage.
Okay, thank you, sir. I am going to put you in on a no bond, Mr. Williams, which basically means you're not going to be able to post the bond at this time. You will be appearing in front of a circuit court judge at a later time, at which time you very well might get a bond. I can't tell you that you'll be able to meet the bond, but I'm sure you'll get one. Now, as a condition of your bond, sir, you're not to have any contact with the victim's immediate family. I don't want to make it so broad, not allowed to have any contact with the family because I don't want to get into those issues. But no contact with the immediate family, no letters, no telephone calls, emails, etc. And do you have any questions that I can answer for you, sir? Okay. Anything further?
Nothing from the victim.
Okay, thank you very much. Sir, we're going to give you your paperwork. If you can move over to the window, please, and we'll get you to sign off on that.
I want him to look at me in my face and my eyes. That's what I want.
This the one that told you to look up and let us know.
Said the Bible, I said, "Thank you." It had some in it.
Officer, do we have the next group ready? Okay, thank you, ma'am.